This is Leading Forex YouTube channel, and today we have some technical analysis, which is price action for you to take notice of. And so, without much ado, I'm your admin Kofi of this channel. NZDUSD, what is the price action like technically? Where is it heading to? And that is what we're going to look at right now. This video is going to be so simple and short. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and also tutorials. First of all, let's look at the monthly time frame of NZDUSD. NZDUSD on the monthly time frame, if I zoom in, this is how it looks like. So one will say that NZDUSD has been on the monthly time frame on the downtrend. Okay, this has been on the downtrend, as you can see, for almost more than 2 years now. It has been on the downtrend. Okay, so if that is the case, for 2 years now NZDUSD has been on a downtrend, then what are we looking at currently? What are we supposed to look at? Now let's go to the weekly time frame so that we can really see what to look at. Now we have at the back of our minds that on the monthly time frame NZDUSD is on the downtrend. Now this is what it is. Okay, but I want to zoom out and then we can look at this nice chart as we see here. Currently this is where NZDUSD is. Now you will see that it made its way down. It came down, made its way down to this level, and then decided to make a pullback up. Now let's see, when was the lower low? This was the lower low level that this trade came before it broke this lower low and came to make a lower low here. All right, so let's not even tackle this for now. So let's look at this over here. Okay, because of the reversal we are seeing, so we should look at this lower low here. If this is the lower low, then the higher high is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so we have that lower low there and then higher high here. Now this lower low here, once the price broke through it, it became a resistance. Okay, this became a resistance, and then this higher high also became a resistance because there was a similar resistance at the top here. It pulled back, respected it, and then it came back down. Now this trade came back down and started making its way up. It came up to touch the resistance level, which was a lower low here, and then broke through it with a higher momentum. Right after it broke through it, we knew our next target was the next resistance level, which is here. Now this trade came, went all up, and then broke through this resistance level again. But one would say it broke through this resistance level, but there was an immediate resistance level at the top here too, but this one wasn't broken at this level here, which was the second one here. So this is to tell you that this wasn't able to break, although there's a pull out to show that there was a break, but still there was an immediate resistance level again at the top here, which the trade respected. Now one thing I would like you to take note is when you look at the current chart, after it broke through this resistance level here, the trade was supposed to come back and test it and then gather momentum and go back up, but we didn't see that happening because after it broke through, it only made a pullback for 2 weeks. Each candle represents a week. We are on the weekly time frame. It only did a pullback for 2 weeks and then made its way all back up again. So it broke through this level and now we are seeing the pullback again. Now this pullback we are currently seeing, we have two levels to watch. The first level is here, this level. Let me give you that this is a level we need to watch. So as this pullback is happening, we need this trade to come back to this level and then either gather momentum and go back up, or come back to test this first resistance here, which was broken. So we have these two levels to watch, because currently we are seeing a pullback, which is in favor of the trend on the monthly time frame, because on the monthly time frame, as you can all see, it is on the down side of the market, which is a downtrend. So currently what we are seeing now is in favor of the trend on the monthly time frame. Okay, so we have to watch this level for this trade to come back and test and gather momentum back up, or come back to test the first trend line that was broken and then gather momentum and go back up. Now, to make this chart look nicer, or for you to see things clearly, let's move to the daily time frame. Now this is the picture we are looking at on the daily time frame, just like I showed you. So this was the lower low it made, came back, broke through, gathered momentum and broke it, went all the way up to where we are seeing it now. Now it reached here, like I told you. When you look at it here, you see that it actually couldn't break on the daily time frame. As you can see, even if it broke, there was another one here, which you can see here, or immediately there are three here, 1 2 3 resistance here, which is difficult to easily break. But let's see, currently we are seeing a pullback after there was an M formation on the daily time frame. Now once the M formation was broken, so let's see it here, this M formation was broken, this is the neck of the M. It got broken, came back down, and then made a pullback to test the neck again. And currently the first candle of the day, which was on Friday, closed on bearish. So there's a possibility that once this neck has been tested, we are seeing a reversal back up, down here to test this level that the trade gathered momentum and went up. And once this is broken, then we can look at our next target down here. This is what it is with NZDUSD. If you love what we are seeing, subscribe and also hit the notification bell for more videos. So if I switch the same thing to the 4-hour, you see a similar thing happening. It's the same thing you will see. So it broke through, went all up, tested this, went all up, and now this is the neck which you saw on the daily. We have the same neck on the 4-hour. So this is the neck of it, and this is the point we can actually use. This whole zone is the neck of the M formation that has been formed. So this is the neck of it, and as we can see, it came back to test the neck after it broke through the neck, and now it's making its way back up, down. So we expect it to come down to this level where it gathered momentum and went back up, or better still, break through that neck and come back to test the lower momentum level. So this is what it is. This is Leading Forex. We'll keep an eye on this, and if you love what you are seeing, you can choose to place even this on demo to be sure of what you are seeing on this channel for the sake of the future. All right, this is what I have for you traders. Let's make the money.